Hey guys, Justin from Sharp Truck here. Today I'm going to show you what you get when you buy a dually kit for a new body style Ford F-450. We're going to start off, you're going to get the dual rear wheel flaps. This is a nice heavy duty flap. It's 21 inches wide by 24 inches long. These weigh in about 10 pounds apiece. This option here has a stainless steel plate, but you do get your choice of logos. Also, you get the dual rear wheel no drill mounting brackets. These are custom fit and they're not going to require you to drill into the body of your truck at all. All the hardware is included with that. You will also get the front no drill flaps. These are different than the F-350. The front wheel well is set up differently on the 450 and 550, so these ones have the black Ford oval logo on here, but you'll get these flaps custom routed to size, a couple of pinch plates, and some brackets. This is everything you need to get the mud flaps on your truck.